Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning member, welcome back. If you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button? Well, welcome to February 1st. It's a new month, and it is February 1st. I'll be posting this possibly Monday or Sunday and premiere it. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me any questions. And as always, before we get started, I'm not a medical doctor. I don't make any medical claims. This is all based on my research and getting permission from my doctor. And so welcome to week 5, 2025. Well, I'm happy to say that I'm down 10 pounds for the month of January. Yeah, I don't know what happened, but I can always tell the way my clothes fit when I put them on. My shirts are feeling really loose again. So I'm pretty sure I must have lost about an inch off my waist. My pants are fitting much looser. I was just careful on what I ate the whole month, and I had a couple of moments, I'll admit, but that's okay too, because it's all a learning process. I'm just getting over my cold that I had. Most of you guys know, in the end of December, I was really deathly sick for about a week and a half. That went away, and everything was good for a while, and then I got a really bad cold for a little while. I'm still a little congested, but I feel fine. So yeah. So we had a good week. I tried to do the beef and butter fast for a few days. That could have been part of it. I stopped because I was feeling too sick to continue on with it. So next week, when I get my check at the end of the this coming week, which would be on the 7th or 8th, I'll go down to the store, and I'm going to start loading up for some more beef to prepare for another beef and butter fast. And so when I do this, my wife wouldn't do that, but she'll probably might have 1 or 2 hamburgers here and there, and that's probably about it. And then for the most part there, I'll buy her whatever she wants, and I'll make her whatever she wants, or she'll have a quick meal. And that's how we do it, because with both 2 seniors, we're still struggling like everybody else is right now. And so I would encourage you guys to just get out there and get motivated, and just remember that weight loss is a journey, and it's going to take time to get the weight off. There's no rocket scientist about it. There is no quick fix. It's just hard work and dedication. That's all it is. And trusting your faith in God and Jesus, if you believe in your spiritual beings and that, like I do. But today is a Saturday morning. It's the 1st of February, and I'm looking outside the window, and it's snowing out. I think it's probably snow showers. Last night we got a couple of inches of snow. I went out and moved my car this morning. It's very icy and slippery outside. Donna played bingo last night. She didn't win nothing, but she had a small crowd due to the weather. Had a new charity ticket last night, and she was having a hard time figuring out the bookkeeping. So I don't know if we were short or over until I find out next week. But it's an awful lot of work on me when there's so little pull tabs in the box that we were selling, or bag, and for that matter. And so we're going to have to figure out something else when the bookkeeper comes back in next Friday, and let us know what the over or under was. But it was just too much walking around for me in that shorter period of time. So I'm thinking about just setting up an adjacent table somewhere, or let those guys sell that, and I'll sell something else, and just do something else altogether. Because there's no way this is going to be happening every Friday night. I walked around like my head was cut off like a chicken there, and I goes, no, that ain't happening for volunteer work. So I was very tired last night when I got home. I slept really good, and I feel really fantastic today. The job is coming along. I had 2 days this week, and 2 days of schedule for next week. I work Monday, and I work Wednesday next week. Monday, I'm going in at 5:30 in the afternoon, and I'll be out of there at 9, and that'll be kind of different for me, because I haven't done that type of shift before. And I'm just exploring it, going to continue the job a little bit longer to the month of February, see if I want to continue it throughout the summer, or the first part of spring going into summer, and see what happens. If I don't want it no more, just tell them. And they can always, as long as I leave on good terms, I can always come back later on in the fall for the upcoming holiday season. Well, we'll see how things happening with the economy and everything. Now, we know it's supposed to get better at some point, but we're just going to have, it's going to get worse before it gets better. But, everything will, trust me. Just trust it. Everything's going to be fine. We'll be fine. And Yeah, so I don't know what I got planned this week. I'm just going to continue on with the keto meals, be vigilant on what I eat, try to get a little bit of walking in here and there, but it's very, very icy outside. I do not want to go walking in on the ice and take a chance of falling. I had two hips out this past couple of years, and I can't afford to, get hurt, especially now that I'm working and stuff like that. But yeah, it's going along good. I'm just giving an update on everything. I haven't created any new recipes in a while. I'm still working on some other recipes that I haven't edited yet. And that's about really all I got to say. So if you got any suggestions for me or anything you want me to do or make, you let me know, and I'd be happy to do that. But I'm letting you know Donna and I had a good week, and everything is good, and I feel terrific today. I was ecstatic and very happy and pleased when I got up this morning and weighed myself, and I was at 260, whatever the number is, it's up on the scale. But anyways, because I started the week on January 1st of New Year. I was like, towards the end of the year, I was like 270, and so I'm finally down under the 270 mark, so, which is really good, and I feel really good about myself, because I'm really, really trying, guys. So anyways, be that said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for following me around Keto Cafe, and have a fantastic week.